YouTube channel. This is your Praveen Kumar. Today you are going to see the subject of electric motor. Okay, different types of the objects can runs with the help of what electric motor. In your homes, different types of the fans are there. Okay, in your wells also different types of the motors are there. All they are based on the principle of what is the actual principle for electric motor. Okay, first principle is nothing but already you know about the law conservation of energy, which tells us what law conservation of energy. The energy never created nor be destroyed, but it will change as one form to another form. Here also, what is the principle for electric motor? Means in this electric motor, electrical energy that can be converted into what mechanical energy. That can be converted into what mechanical energy. In your homes, then you may see the what different types of the fans are there. No? Then which will takes the what electrical energy, and fan which will revolve means that doing what mechanical work. Okay, then we may get the what aid from that. Means in that inside fan also an electric motor is there. Here also electric motor based on the principle of electrical energy that can be converted into what mechanical energy. Next one is another one also there, generator. You know about this one. Generator in this also this is also one of the device which can convert the mechanical energy into what electrical energy. Yes, that is a principle for what electric motor. Okay, this is nothing but this is a 4 marks question in exams, public exams. How can you write the answer for electric motor? What is the working procedure for the electric motor? That is very simple. Okay, inside the electric motor, working procedure of the electric motor, here two horseshoe bar magnets are there. Horseshoe bar magnets are there. Okay, these are. What is the horseshoe means? What are the horseshoe bar magnets means? Which are in the form of what U shape. U. This is the which will indicate the what north pole, and this which can be indicates the what south pole. Here in between, here two horseshoe bar magnets are there. First one is which will indicate the north pole, and another one which will indicate the what south pole. That is what first point. In between that two magnets, in between that north and south pole of the magnet, then one armature is there. A, B, C, D. This is nothing but what armature. A, B, C, D is nothing but what armature. This armature is connected to the two split rings. S1 and S2 are said to be what split ring. A, B, C, D is what rectangular armature. S1 and S2 are what split rings. Next here one B1 and B2 is there. These split rings are connected to the carbon brushes. Carbon brush B1, another carbon brush is what B2. Both can be B1 and B2 connected to the what energy source. That is said to be what battery. Here one switch also there. While we switch on the electric circuit, what happened? The current flows like this direction from positive terminal to like this. Current flows. This is the direction for what current positive terminal to this one, from this which will reach as the carbon brush 1, and again split ring S1 which will reach as the what here A, B. This is nothing but what A, B, C, D is what armature. Here in this inside of electric motor, you need to understand what are the direction for magnetic field and what is the direction for magnetic force. Already you know about the Fleming right hand principle. This is nothing but what Fleming right hand principle. Fleming right hand principle. Here 3 fingers are there. No? Fleming right hand principle. Thumb finger, middle finger, and forefinger. Okay. Here thumb finger T, which will indicate the direction of what magnetic force. Okay. Next one is nothing but this is what middle finger. Middle finger which will indicate the direction of what magnetic field. Okay. This is force. This is magnetic field. This forefinger which will indicate the what direction of the what current. Direction of the what current. Simple logic is there. F force direction, middle what magnetic field direction. Father, mother. In between child is there. Okay, that is nothing but what current direction. Child is nothing but C, current direction. Father, force direction, magnetic force. Middle, magnetic field direction. Father, mother, madhyalo child. This one is the principle for what Fleming right hand principle. Then we are enters into what armature like this. I would like to keep here. Means the direction of current is like this. Upward, vertically, what upward direction. Current flows like this. Then the what is the magnetic field direction? This side. Means this is magnetic field direction is what? Like this side. Means north to what? South. Magnetic field direction. What is the thumb finger? This is not, which indicates the what? Which indicates the what? Force. Then force which will pulls the armature towards inside or outside. Means which will pulls the armature into the what? Inside. Means like this. Here simple diagram is there like this. This is nothing but what? Armature. A, B, C, D and armature is there. That can be connected to the split rings S1 and S2 and carbon branches B1 and B2. Here there, like this there. Fleming right hand principle, like this current direction is there. Like this, what a current direction like this there. Then what happened? Current moves vertically up. Magnetic field lines are like this, from this to this. And what is this one? Thumb finger force. Force which pulls the armature inside or which takes the armature outside means definitely which will take pulls the water armature towards the water inside when force is applying like this in this armature AB. Okay, then what happened? This will rotate like this. This will rotate like this. Whenever the force is applying on this armature like this, current direction is like this and magnetic field direction like this, and force which pulls the armature like this inside, like this, which will armature is rotate like this. Then which will changes the water? CD. First one is what? AB. Then again it will changes to what? AB, which will push the armature towards the inside. That's why which will changes, rotates like this. Applying force is like this. Armature is rotates like this. CD. Means here only armature direction C and D will changes. A and B will changes to what? This side. Changes to what? This side. Again the current flows to what? Like this. Again. Second time to time in this electric field is acting on that one. Then the electric field and magnetic field are both are combined together. Then always the armature rotates like this. AB, CD, CD, AB, AB, CD. Like it rotates. Means that rotations, those can be helpful to run the water electric motor. This is the what working function of the water electric motor. Okay, based on this one you need to remember only one. Electric current flows like this direction and magnetic field like this direction, and force, first force is what? Which will inside, again it will come back, again it will inside like that, which will take it. Again the current flows A to B, then B to C, again C to D. What happens C to D? Here which will takes the CD into what? Outside of the water magnet, like that. Again this only which will clearly understand. AB and B is there, like this there. Okay, which will push the water electric field like this, which will rotate CD. Again which will rotate like this CD, like this. This is the water rotation methods and working principle and working procedure for the water electric motor.